And then it goes, Hello everyone, welcome to my What's in My Christmas haul.
Maddie, we're grateful for you in every way, sweet girl. And we're also glad. By the way, you missed the local lovely smells last couple of days. We've had cow. Yesterday we had cow.
We've had cow.
0, 1. Let's get started.
How funny that Maddie got what I was going to give her.
Well, I think that's great. So,
I'm so excited for this.
1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
And then protective case.
Let's get started.
Present from Santa.
Santa always delivers.
I love him. I know him.
I'm recording on my other present from Santa.
Okay.
0, 1,
Yeah.
2,
Ooh,
3.
and the microphone.
Microphone!
I could fit my camera in it.
Probably.
Really?
Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Hello everyone, welcome to my What's in My Christmas haul.
What'd you get?
So far we got from Santa, of course, the DJI Osmo Nano and a Mic Mini. Super exciting. I could literally put the whole camera in this little case for the microphone. So exciting.